On behalf of ExpertVillage, here at Jean Paris Wigs, I'm Gloria Van Workum, and I'm going to show my client how to style her wig. We've just fitted it to her head. Now we're going to show her how to style it. So what we do is we just take a brush and try and brush it away from the face to begin with. If we can get it all away from her face and pull it down where she likes it, pull it around. After we get it all around her face, then we can take some forward, which gives it a lighter look so that it doesn't look like it's so heavy around her face. So we just pull it down and back, down and back, so that we have a natural look. So it falls around her face very nicely. Can you see yourself? Mm-hmm. See how pretty that is?
That is very pretty.
Do you like that? Is that the style that you liked before you?
It is.
Good. This is very beautiful on you. Does it feel very comfortable?
It does. It doesn't feel like it will slip.
Okay. And so the styling, if you feel like that it's too heavy anywhere, if you like it's too heavy on one side or the other, too thick, we could trim it. We can curl it. We can use hot rollers to curl it. If you decide that you want to put a little bit of body into it, then you can go ahead and curl it.